It's 7 o'clock on a Monday morning. Instead of dreading another grueling week, you turn on your computer. As you sip your morning coffee, you dive into Hacks Academy, discovering how to convert YouTube and Facebook into money-making machines using AI. By 8:03 a.m., you're feeling unstoppable, armed with a personal coaching session that has charged you up with everything you need to start earning $100 to $1,000 every day. You begin implementing the strategies, and soon, you're watching your first AI-powered YouTube channel start generating income. As the day progresses, you see more and more results, each success boosting your confidence. Gone are the stress and uncertainty, replaced by a deep-seated belief that you can achieve financial freedom. By the end of the day, you're amazed at how easy it was to turn AI-powered content into a reliable income stream. You think to yourself, if every day could be like this, I might just earn a six-figure income this year. Could this really happen to you? Don't be surprised if it does. Imagine being able to convert YouTube videos into dollars, even if you don't have your own channels or a huge following, and without needing to be a celebrity. Focus on what your audience wants and start earning today. You do not need to already have thousands of subscribers or show your face in the videos. Combine the power of artificial intelligence and marketing to make the 4-hour workweek a reality without sacrificing your financial goals. Double your income with YouTube videos, even if you've struggled with time or guidance in the past. I'm going to show you the ultimate formula. YouTube plus AI plus anonymous without showing yourself. Find out how to differentiate yourself from the competition and stand out from other content creators, even if you think that other channels are going to destroy yours or that this is not for you. Imagine, in as little as a few days or weeks, you could be manifesting the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine being debt-free, having more financial freedom for health and wellness, enjoying happier and stronger relationships, and upgrading to a home you love. All because you decided to say yes today. Ready to transform your life? Start this new course for 30 days. We start with making things super simple and offer lots of quick wins to help you reach your goals fast. Everything is designed with completion in mind. No more guesswork. If it's not the greatest course for success you've ever had, we'll buy it back. And for the first 5 people to sign up right now, we have an exclusive offer. Take this course for free. We just want your honest feedback as a video testimonial. Complete the course, and we'll buy it back from you. It's not every day you get a chance to truly change your life for the better. Don't miss this opportunity. Sign up now before it's gone.